Welcome to United NDT. Today I want to show you how to select a PA probe from our web shop and how to order it. And what all you can choose, because we have a wide variety of probes and you can get them for different cable lengths, different connector, whatever you want. Well, let's go through the process. So we are here on our web page, as you can see. By the way, this is the Unireg PAM unit, the last product we have just launched into the market with phased array and Toft on board and everything. Alright, let's focus now on the PA probes. So here you can choose PA probes, the delay lines and wedges, or you can choose other products like extension cables, adapters, something like that. And we have also a probe selector, but that's something different. That makes it easy. If you don't know exactly what probe you need, you can just use this to find particular probes available. But that is something I want to explain in a different video. So let's go to PA probes. We have a huge number of probes available, like 200 different PA probes are available as standard. You see some of them here in those pictures, like this one for corrosion mapping, the smaller ones, the tiny ones for special applications, the large ones, the flexible ones. There are so many different types, and just want to explain to you how we categorize them. We have linear PA probes, we have matrix or dual matrix PA probes, and we have special PA probes. Those categories we have. And I want just to focus in this video on the linear PA probes. There are also other under categories in this case, like standard universal PA probes, small footprint, deep penetration, near wall, immersion type, linear PA probes with integrated wedge. So we have those categories as well. All those probes we can provide with different cable length, different connector, and different cable type. So you can choose all this. A bit about the terminology. Here you see an example. Here 5L32 stands for frequency, 5 MHz, L means the linear array, type of array is L, 32 elements, 0.5 is the pitch, elevation is 10, B10 stands for the housing, the B housing. It's important also when you choose the wedges for this probe. We just want to focus on the standard universal linear probes for now, and as I said, you can have them with different cable lengths. Universal probes are explained here a bit for regarding the applications, the features. Let's just see what all is available. There's a whole list, you see, starting from 1 MHz going up to 10 MHz. Actually, all those probes are available. Even here, a 10 MHz probe with 128 elements, also available. And here on the right you see some typical wedges. Those wedges, by the way, are for hot temperature measurements. And here other ones curved with irrigation channel and rear protection. So let's choose one probe as an example. I choose the 5L32 standard probe, 0.5 pitch. Let's say this one with housing B10. I choose that one, I click on it. And when I click on it, I get all the data related to this probe. And I get the price, of course, I get the delivery time. And you see this one is on stock, can be delivered from stock. Here we have the probe picture. We see the parameters. If I click here, I choose the wedge. Here I can now select the cable length or define the cable length. Let's say instead of 2.5 meters standard cable length, I want to have 5 meter. I choose 5 meter, and you have to see what happens. The price is automatically updated. You see 5 meter cable length, of course a bit more expensive. Then you can also choose heavy duty cable, for example. The type of connector can be chosen for Olympus unit, other units, Sonotron units, other connector. You have to specify what you want. This has no impact on the price. That's all covered already. Let's say we want to have this one, and we add this to the cart. So now this with 5 meter cable and so on is added to the cart. Yeah, we want to continue shopping because we want also to select the wedge. I click here for the wedge. And again here we have all the wedges. We have categories for the wedges. The 0 degree wedge for perpendicular beaming. It's more called actually delay lines. Then the standard wedge, 55 degree, and other wedges with 45, 50 or 60 degree. We go for the standard wedge here, 55 degree, and they are all listed here, all available. And I choose the B10, that's the housing we had, the B10, 55 angle, and we have it here with all the data. And what I can do here, I can also choose whether I want to have it without irrigation channel or with. Now it's without. With the price will be changed here. It's a bit more expensive. This is also referring to a flat one. If we want to have one with whether it's curved to outer diameter like 6 inch, we can also do that and have another price. And we can decide what kind of curvature we want to have, circumferential scanning or for longitudinal scanning. That's the same price actually. Let's add this also to the cart. So now we have 2 items on the cart. I can go check out, for example, and here I have the data available, what I have chosen, everything available. I can change the quantity, of course, and I have the total, and then I can proceed to check out. And that means now it can be ordered this way. Of course, you can also just request for a quote. That's the same thing. It's only a request for an official quote from our side. Don't need to order directly from the web shop. Alright, this is the way how it works. And I just want to continue, just as an example. Now what we see here, personal information have been given because that's my information, my data, address, also my address, shipping method. I will pick it up from United NDT, GmbH in this case, or I want to have it via DHL shipping. I can choose about that also. Yeah, then I can continue and order it. Here I order with the obligation to pay. That means I have now chosen the payment by PayPal. So I don't go further here because it's just for an example here. Yeah, okay, that's just an overview about how to order PA probes or how to select them on our shop, how to get data, how to define the parameters, cable lengths, cable type, how to choose the wedges. It's rather easy because you also have the price information all the time. And if you have more questions, just do not hesitate to contact us. Our email is info@united-ndt.com. Thank you.